Hello everyone. Today my topic is self join. So in this query to retrieve the department numbers of all department along with their head department. So what it means that we have to retrieve the department ID along with their head department. So in the department table we have a department id column and the head department column, so we have to retrieve the head department column and the department id. So in the previous session we have discussed about how to join the two different tables. So now in this query we have to join a single table. We have to join a single table. We have to join a single table. So while joining a table with itself, it's called as self join. So we have to join a table with itself. It's called a self join. So in the previous session we have discussed how to join two different tables. So right now in this session we are discussing about self join, which is joining the same table itself. So over here, so we have to retrieve two columns. So select department id and head department. I am retrieving department id and head department from the department table. So we have a name, and this table name is called a department table. So here select department id and head department from department table. So we are using the keyword as d means department and department as means this as means is a head department. So if I don't write the d and as in this query, then it will be an ambiguity. So there will be an error. So that's why we are giving a specific name. We have giving a specific name that there will be no confusion in the query. So this, I'm retrieving the same department. So d means department id and s means head department. So in the column d means department id and head means, and s means head department. So I write in the column. So I've given the d dot and s dot. So it means that this table, this department table of department id name is d, and this department table of s means head department. So where d dot head department equals to s dot department id. So it means that we are in the department, in the department table, in the department table we are putting head department. We are putting head department column, and in the head department we are looking the department id column. So once we execute this query, then the outcome will be like this. You can see that. So department id and the head department, sorry, in this column should be a head department. So head department, and you can see here. So in the department id 5 is the one of head department, and the 6 of department id is the one of head department. You can see here 5 department ID of 5 is the head department, is the one of head department, and 6 is the department ID, then the 1 is the head department. So it I hope you guys understand the self join. So thank you.